kabisado ni Margarito yung gano'n, ang dami na siyang kalabang ginagawa yung nagdadak ng gano'n na paluhod.
We welcome you to round number 8. So far it's been a one-sided affair, but not without some shots coming from Margarito. Time and again, Pacquiao getting rocked. You know, it's a boxing match. You're bound to get hit at a certain point. Of course, kinakabahan tayo pag tinatamaan si Manny, di ba?
Kaya ngayon na sinasabi natin, no, anything can happen in boxing. No? And again, the numbers of Margarito show that he does have the advantage, and at any point in time, he can do something to surprise us. Pati si Manny, and Manny just has to continue to focus exactly on what he's been doing in the past 7 rounds.
Pacquiao patuloy naghahanap ng mapupuntahan kung saan niya...
Angle si Pacquiao, napakaganda.
Yep, kung saan niya matatamaan, and he continues to do that. Margarito trying to look for his own targets, pero nahihirapan siya. Galaw ng galaw. Pacquiao in a bit of trouble, gets nailed in the ropes, but tries to box himself out of trouble. He does.
And then he goes back and gives him some more, no?
Boy, what a fight for Pacquiao. A difficult one, although he has all the rounds so far. Oh, 1-2 combination. Margarito says, come on, bring it on.
Margarito's taking all the punches of Manny Pacquiao. Magsasara na yung mga maganito sa mukha, no?
Para sinasabi niya Margarito, ven aquí, aliga.
Oy, low blow!
Por favor.
Sa low blow.
Medyo mababa yung pinato ni Margarito doon. Hindi na tinawag ng referee.
Pacquiao continues with that combination. With an uppercut and a hook. Pacquiao getting rocked and pinned. He's being tagged seriously here.
Yeah, that's one of those things that Buboy has been shouting about. Huwag kang pupunta dyan. Huwag mong pababayaan.
Final 50 seconds. Maybe a bit of fatigue now setting in for Pacquiao.
Pero alam natin lahat, pati si Margarito, hanggang hindi tinitigil ng referee ito. Itutuloy niya yung pag-avanse. He will keep on advancing and be aggressive against Manny.